Hey everyone, welcome to the very first video on this channel. If you've ever wanted to start a side hustle but felt lost on where to begin, or maybe you've started one but couldn't stay consistent, then you're in the right place. Over the next 52 weeks, I'm going to build a side hustle completely from scratch. No team, no secret funding, just me learning and experimenting with new skills. I'm going to work on this side hustle part-time, spending about 10 to 15 hours a week. And here's the twist. I'll share everything along the way. The time, the costs, the progress, and even the failures. In this video, which I'm calling Week 0, I'm setting the stage for the entire year. We'll go over 4 things. 1, why I'm starting this channel and what makes it different from the typical side hustle channels you see online. 2, how I research trending side hustles and the process I use to narrow them down. 3, which one I've chosen to commit to and why. And 4, what my 52-week plan will look like from here. So by the end of this video, you'll know exactly what this channel is about and how you can follow or even join the journey yourself. Let's be real. The internet is full of people talking about side hustles. Some of them are great, but most of the time the story ends before the real work begins. You see a thumbnail that says $10,000 a month with this AI trick, and 10 minutes through the video, you're still no closer to understanding what actually goes into it. Here's what I realized. Most of us don't need another video telling us what to do. We need to see how it's actually done, the day-to-day process, the real timeline, the frustrations, and what it feels like to build something when you're not a full-time entrepreneur. That's what this channel is about. I'm not starting this because I've made it. I'm starting because I haven't. And I want to show the real process of getting there. I'll be documenting everything transparently, the time invested each week, the software I pay for, the wins and the mistakes. Because I think people are tired of hearing 6 figures in 6 weeks nonsense. We just need to see what's real and what's possible. And I'm doing it part-time. Like many of you, I've got a full-time job, a family, responsibilities. But I still believe that with 10 to 15 focused hours a week, you can build something meaningful over time. So this channel isn't about quitting your job tomorrow. It's about building the skills, systems, and small wins that eventually give you freedom, even if it takes a while. That's why I'm here, to build, learn, and share everything transparently so we can figure it out together. Now, how I researched trending side hustles. Before jumping into any side hustle, I wanted to approach this like a real project, not with hype, but with research. But first, I wanted to pick something that fits a few personal rules. For instance, 1, I want low upfront costs. I'm not looking to drop thousands of dollars just to start. 2, I want skill growth. Even if it doesn't become a huge income stream right away, I want the process to teach me something valuable. 3, I want future relevance. I don't want a side hustle that dies in 6 months. I want one that builds skills for where the world is going. And 4, I want to work online from the comfort of my home. I have a full-time job during the day and the family to get back to during the evening, so I prefer to find a side hustle that can be done behind the screen. So after putting some personal rules, I wanted to know what's actually trending, what people in 2025 were calling the best side hustles. So I did what anyone would do. I went down the YouTube rabbit hole. I watched 20 videos from some of the biggest creators in the space, people who analyze markets, trends, and physical and digital income ideas. Then I took all the side hustles they mentioned and I mapped which ones kept coming over and over again. After organizing the data, 4 clear trends emerged. The most common side hustles for 2025 were: number 1, content creation plus AI, using AI tools to generate or speed up YouTube, blog, or TikTok content. 2, selling digital products directly or through affiliate marketing. 3, AI automation, so using AI tools and workflows to automate business tasks or create systems that run themselves. And 4, online coaching and courses. I then validated my results with reports developed by Side Hustle Nation and another report by Morgan Stanley about key trends and sectors. Now, all 4 areas have big potential, but using the rules I put to myself and listening to advice from billionaires like Mark Cuban, I've thought about it hard and decided to explore AI and focus on utilizing AI automation for businesses to try and earn an extra income this year. And here's why. Right now, as we all obviously know, AI is everywhere. It's in the news, it's in our tools, it's in how businesses operate. Some people are building entire income streams using AI tools. Others are using automation to save hundreds of hours every month of work. But here's the thing, the technology is moving faster than most people can learn it. That means there's a massive gap. Businesses want automation, but they don't know how to implement it. And that's the opportunity I want to explore. I'll be learning more about generative AI, prompt engineering, and how to use tools like ChatGPT to build real automations that solve business problems. Things that might seem small, but save companies time, and time equals money. But I want to be really clear. I'm not coming into this with a technical background. I don't write code. I don't have an engineering degree. So this is going to be a learning journey. Now, let's be honest, maybe we're late to the AI game, maybe we're early, but either way, we're right on time to learn. Because over the next 52 weeks, I'll be spending around 500 to 750 hours building, testing, and experimenting with AI automations. And even in the worst case, even if this side hustle doesn't blow up, I'll have gained an incredibly valuable skill set that will only grow in demand. And that experience alone will put us way ahead of the curve. AI apparently isn't going away, and I'd rather spend the next year learning how to use it instead of just watching it happen. That's why I'm committing to it fully. And the best part, you'll see the entire journey unfold week by week, raw, unfiltered, and honest. So here's how this 52-week plan will work. Every week, I'll post one video documenting my progress, what I worked on, what I learned, and what I earned, if anything. I've broken the year down into 3 main phases. Here's how I envision it. Phase 1 is the learning curve. This is where I'll go deep into understanding generative AI, learning prompt engineering, as well as exploring low-code, no-code AI tools and automation platforms, how they work, what problems they solve, and how people are already using them successfully. Phase 2 is the application phase. So once I understand the tools, I'll start applying them to real use cases. That means building small automation systems, testing ideas with real people or businesses, and documenting every experiment, even if it fails. This is the building muscle phase. It's where I'll make mistakes, fix them, and start to see what actually works in the real world. Phase 3 is the monetization phase. So once I have working systems, I'll focus on turning them into income streams. That could mean offering automation services to small businesses, creating ready-to-use templates or AI workflows, or offering consulting services to find AI solutions to help businesses grow. I'll track every dollar, both spent and earned, and share income reports as transparently as possible and as frequently as possible. Because that's the entire point, to see what's realistically possible when you give a side hustle consistent effort for a full year. By the end of this journey, my goal isn't to just have one successful side hustle. It's to have documented the process of starting from zero, so anyone watching can learn, adapt, and start their own. Because this isn't just about my journey, it's about the journey of every person who ever thought of starting a side hustle but for some reason never does. So if you've ever wanted to start a side hustle but you've been waiting for the perfect time, this is it. Subscribe, follow along, and let's figure this out together because I will need a lot of help. See you in week 1.